not gonna lie, it feels good making a video like this again. I kind of missed just like being able to make something and just purely focus on taking photos. You know, when I'm trying to make like the more not professional, but like higher quality, higher production videos where I'm like filming with my legit video camera, I don't know, you get detached from the actual photography. I really don't actually end up taking many photos when I'm filming those types of videos. It's more so like, all right, I'm exposing myself here, but I'm acting kind of in those videos more than actually shooting. Because like in a realistic day of shooting, I'm not fucking bringing my video camera and filming everything, right? But these videos, how I started this channel, this kind of like brings me back to the good old days in a way, where it was just about taking photos and not making, you know, a cinematic video or whatever. Not that there's anything wrong with that, of course. I don't think I'm gonna take my entire channel back into POV videos again, but I do want to end up using the GoPro a bit more. Well, it's not a GoPro, it's a DJI Action. But I do want to, you know, I want to make more of these more raw feeling videos. I think it would be fun to do that again. Oh shit, now see, when I'm doing this, I'm not actually taking a photo, so I missed it. You're going back in my chest. Diamond District, should I do it? They fucking hate photographers here. Let's try it. Maybe I'll see OG. Love that guy.
No one inside. that is the dressing from this side.
I've always believed that how you present your work is just as important as the work itself. Squarespace gives you everything you need to turn your ideas into a beautiful website, whether it's sharing your art, setting up an online store, or even starting a blog about your creative journey. They make it incredibly simple with their easy-to-use templates and intuitive customization tools. Whether you're a photographer, a writer, or someone just starting to share their voice, Squarespace makes it feel real. So if you're feeling inspired to start something new, head over to squarespace.com/Faisal to start a free trial. And you can use the code Faisal to get 10% off your first purchase. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.